The new Ninja ZeroStick Cermic Pro pans, are they any good? I've just bought the 30cm frying pan to unbox and find out. So let's jump straight into it. And thanks for joining me, everybody. And like I said, I've just bought this because I was intrigued at the Ninja pans. I don't own any of the Ninja pans yet. I went on during their summer sale and I saw the Ninja ZeroStick pans on offer. I then saw that they had a pro version which is ceramic, and I was like, ooh, I do wreck pans quite easily, to be honest. So I thought the extra money for the pro version would be well spent. So I thought I'm going to buy one to begin with. I'll review it for you guys on the channel. I'm going to cook some gyozas in this pan to see if they stick, because we all know what they're like for sticking to a pan. I'm going to see if they stick, and if not, I may invest in the rest of these pans, but we need to see and test it out. Right, let's get it unboxed and let's see what's in it. By the way, if you've not seen the unboxing and review of the Ninja knives, I did old versus new because I've just upgraded to the new ones. Head over to that video just here. Okay, so this is how it comes in the box, with this bit on to stop it bouncing around. So I'm going to take it out. And then there's nothing else in the box. Then the actual pan itself, so I've gone for the black one. It's the 30cm CW 30030 UK model number, and it's meant to be zero stick. Now, the pro version of this ceramic coating, you're meant to be able to use metal utensils and it won't damage the coating, so time will tell on that one. So now you're a bit closer up, you can see what it's like, and if I just take this packaging off, you can see the bottom. It does say that it's dishwasher safe and it is suitable for induction hobs, and we'll be using an induction hob today. So nice, it feels a nice pan. I know that might be an odd statement, but some pans you pick up and you go, that's cheap, that's not going to last. This feels quality. Now, it's got a 10-year guarantee. It says that you can scratch it, you can scrub it, you can heat it. So it says it's scratch resistant, designed for safe use with any utensils for long-lasting durability. Well, it says scrub resistant, easy to clean, withstanding harsh brushing and sponges, extreme temperature tested, suitable for hobs, ovens and grills up to 350 degrees Celsius. So it says it's not non-stick, it's zero stick, and it is 100% PTFE free. I do like a pan that I can, say, pan fry something in to sear it off, and then I can get it and put it in the oven to finish. You can do that with this pan. Right, let's get the induction hob set up and let's try cooking with it. So I know it says it's 30cm in the description. Let's have a look. So yeah, the actual usable space, it goes just from the tip where it bevels in. It is 30cm across, and the depth of the pan is 5.5cm in depth, so pretty good. And the handle is 20cm long, and at the thickest point is 2.5cm wide, which is just under an inch, because I have someone moan in the comments that I'm not putting things in inches. Well, sorry for that. Anyway, let's get cooking. Right, so let's switch this on. Right, I've just put on actually a low heat to start with, just to warm this up, just to see how it goes. I have got, this is a Daewoo induction hob, about £25. I have got a new induction hob being delivered very soon, a double, a twin induction hob, which I'm going to review, and that's going to be installed in my camper van where I'm going to do some on the road cooking. So head over to Camper Van Chaos Crew, my new growing channel where I'm converting a camper van. Okay, so I've just got some chicken gyozas. These are the 12 that you can buy in a bag from Aldi out of the freezer. So I have also cleaned the pan out, give it a quick rinse before I use it. Now normally I would put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the frying pan if I was cooking gyozas. However, today I'm not going to. I just want to see if this really is non-stick. It might go like a disaster, but let's see. Right, it's heating up pretty quick, to be honest, on this induction hob. Let's go in more, shall we? I'm going to see if I can get all of them in the pan. That's all of them. Right, so these have been on, what, about 30 seconds to a minute. Let's see if we can move. Yeah, we can, it's not stuck. So none of these have stuck yet. So what we're after with these gyozas is a nice fried edge, followed by a steamed centre on two other edges. This pan is probably just a tad on the big side for this particular induction hob, and the interesting one will be at the end when it comes to cleaning it. So it's definitely a hot spot there compared to, so I'm just going to take this off a minute to show you. So we've got one very burnt one there, and the ones around, not too bad, getting there. But there's one very burnt one. So I would say, yeah, there's a little bit of a hot spot issue. Again, that might not be the actual induction, it might not be the pan, it might be the actual induction hob itself, because it is only a cheap one. Let's carry on. I'm going to put it onto a lower heat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go in with some cold water, and then I'm going to pop a lid on. This lid is the Ninja one from the Foodie that you can buy as an additional, because the pan doesn't come with one. So I definitely need a bigger lid. Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look if these are cooked, shall we? Let's give one a probe. While these are finishing off, I'll just show you. I've got some sesame oil. So I go 1 part sesame oil, so 2 parts soy sauce, to 2 parts vinegar, and just give this a stir around. That makes a really nice dipping sauce for the gyoza. You could also add some sashimi chili powder in there if you wanted at this point. I like it just like that. Yeah, we're at 87 degrees then on that one, which is plenty. Because they're so delicate, I'm going to use a spatula. So yeah, that one's come off okay. That one has. Yeah. Nice. Use that one. Yep. So you see, sort of fries up. Lovely. And that is what we're left with, the remnants in the pan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this water out and then we'll see if that comes off easily. Okay, so I just have some cleaning wipes just so you can see. I'm not using anything harsh. And again, it's the first time I've used it, so you're learning with me on this one. And there we go. So there is a tiny bit there that isn't quite coming clean, so let's just give it a little, just a harder, and it's come perfectly clean straight away. Right, so now it's cleaned up from the gyoza, I thought I'd do a fried egg in it, just as it is, just to see what it's like. So I've got an extra large egg. Let's put it in and have a look. Just going to turn the heat down a touch. Just going to wait for the bubbles to come through. Right, let's have a look. So again, like I said, there's no oil in this pan. I would normally cook them in oil. Now I will flip this egg for your purpose so you can see the back side of it in a minute. I wouldn't normally flip an egg. I like the yolk to be sunny side up. So I did break it. So you can see that it was really soft when I tried to do it. I think if I was to cook an egg in this, I would still use a tiny, maybe just smear a bit of oil over, just for my personal preference really, but I just wanted to show you that actually it was still, right, look at that, how the egg's not really stuck at all in the pan. I'll switch it off. Again, just give that a quick wipe out. It's pretty much clean as a whistle. Right, so we've finished with the cooking. Let's have a taste of these gyozas. Just how I like them. I do love having gyozas with the fried bases and the steamed tops. For me, it's the best way of having them. I don't like them deep fried completely. I'll eat them steamed, but for me, having the fried edge is just a winner. And like I say, that egg, I'm not going to taste it because it's an egg, but go on then, I will, just for you. tastes like an egg. But it's got no funny taste, it's not got any sort of chemically taste or anything like that from the pan. Let me know, do you have these pans or are you thinking of buying them? Like I say, this isn't a paid sponsor. I have bought the pan. This pan is £70 to buy just for this one pan from the Ninja website. I paid £55 I think it was when it was on offer. So I think around the £50 mark is a fairly decent price point for this pan. 70, it's quite a push that, isn't it, for a one pan. But yeah, let me know, have you got the standard Ninja ZeroStick pans? What are they like? Are they holding up? Do you wish you'd bought the Cermic Pro ones? Did you buy the Cermic Pro ones and wish you'd not spend the extra money? Are they rubbish? Let me know in the comments. For me, like I say, at the £55 mark, I think, yeah, that's not a bad price for a decent frying pan. I'm going to use this over the next few months before I make a decision on am I going to buy the full set of the Cermic Pro. And obviously I'll keep you updated, and as well I'll keep you updated on my Facebook page. That is One Air Fryer Too Many. Head over there, join the nearly 10,000 strong and growing community. Share some tips, tricks and videos and photos of your own if you want as well, and be sure to say hi in the comments. What do you want me to cook in this pan? Let me know. What is something that you always cook at home in your frying pan, it sticks or it doesn't turn out well, and you think, blimey, I wish I'd not started that? Let me know and I'll give it a go in this pan for you. Right, until next time everyone, make sure you're hitting that subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Thanks for watching.